Chubb Rock coming back hard for 1990. Word out, word out. Kick this out to my man Rob Swinger, Hot Dog Dinky, Manager Butt Ev Lover, you know what I'm saying? Dr. No. Here we go. It's the hitman, yes, the hitman, yo, you know it. The thirst quencher, the man on the sequencer. He was scared to kick a 16 bar. He's not a rap star, not saying that I am, but on the jam, I'm gonna kick a little, not a Dr. Seuss riddle. No cats in hats, fox in some socks. But to the DJ jocks, check your clocks. Half past what? Time to bust nut. Not a pistachio, he uses a Casio keyboard and a Tascam board. The quick in the B50, get nifty. Born with the gift, time to get pipped. Not with the manufacturing of a spliff, he never wrote one, never sold none. The beats give me the high that brought fame to us. And how we gonna kick it, huh? Just the three of us. Come on! Chubb has been dope since he came out the shaft.
Will she do it? I guess she will. Hit that shit. Look at that shit. That's right there. Oh, my bad. I ain't gonna backseat drive. You got it? How long you been driving sticks, Victoria? Since B210 days? Yeah. Uh-oh. That's all I gotta say. B210, if you don't know what that is, then I can't tell you nothing.
What? Yes, yo, he shouted and he plopped it in the
Oh yeah, the other day, I was out there doing my photo shoot thing, as they said, and for those who want to inquire on getting custom shirts done or artwork done, this young man here, Underground Printing and Designs, he did the artwork for the Mustang. And so also the matching hoodies that go with the car. So holler at my man Fred, Underground Printing and Designs, 650-921-4015. Once again, 650-921-4015. Hey, you see how we looked? Picture me rolling.
Come on!